Guys, we're in Target today and we are really in here for the 5-cent dishwasher tabs, and I'm about to give you more details when I make it to the product. Okay, so these up and up 36 packs, regular $9.69, they are ringing up 5 cents, y'all. And we're gonna take those to a scanner so that you can see the DCPI and the price. We're gonna scan them. Guys, 5 cents each. And there's the DCPI right there. And here they are. You cannot beat that. Check your location for these. These should be $20 in most areas. It is still $49 in this store. And here's the DCPI. A few of my followers have scored this for $29. The little beach balls for 48 cents, regular 99. The spiral tube is $1.98, regular $3.99. Here's some goggles. This is perfect for this summer. It's almost summertime. Tons of swim shoes are on clearance. So definitely check your store if you need those. These are actually good discounts. And some of them may scan cheaper, so make sure that you scan. These are very nice water shoes. I may grab a pair for my girls. And a Coleman cooler, $19.98, regular $39.99. Here's house shoes, $2.38, regular $7.99. This one's $2.98, regular $9.99. And here's some little girl shoes for $2.38, regular $7.99. Those are so cute. And $2.98, regular $9.99. That's like a little cap and some mitts. And here's more. All of these are like $2. This one says $5, but the red one is $2, so it probably is $2 too. You just have to scan it. More water shoes. And here's some tights for $1.48, regular $4.99. Little infant dress for $5.98, regular $19.99. Energizer batteries, $2.98, regular $9.99. Okay guys, now we're in Walmart and let me show you what I just found. So this pack and play right here is regular $129 and it is scanning for $30. And here's the UPC. And here's a better look at it. And my friend B and Melody posted this morning. You guys can follow her on Instagram. But I had no idea that I would run into it because Brixie did say it was out of stock. Check your wax warmers. I see a lot of $7 warmers in here, like these. This is old packaging, but here is the UPC for this one. And the UPC is the same for the newer packaging. But these are $7, regular $15. Markdown, $3, regular $8.96. That's not a bad price. Here's some bras. They are marked down to $2. Regular price is $9.94. More underwear for $3. Regular price is $8.96. They have several different sizes. There's little thermal sets for $1. Regular price is $8.98. And they have those in black and gray. And here's more down here for $3. Regular $14.98. And down here are some for $2. Regular $10.98. And they have several different styles of those. I'm gonna grab some of these for my little girl. Little LOL sleepwear sets for $3. They have other styles like My Little Pony and Wonder Woman, Unicorn. They have several other styles. These are all $3. And here's a Harry Potter one. All $3. Regular price is $15.48. Hats and gloves for $1. Regular price is $5.76. Here's some Frozen 2 dresses for $3. Regular $13.96. Here's another one. I really wish these were in my daughter's size. They are big. Here's some cute little bags for $2. Regular $9.98. Here's another style. And here's the UPC for this one. And here's the UPC for that one. Check your jeans. These are $3. Regular $9.94. And there's several sizes. And here's some down here. And $3. Regular $9.94. Okay, this table is a mess, but all of these leggings are marked down to $1. Regular price is $3.98. And there's several different styles. Somebody has already pretty much been through it. And here's more. Okay, over here in them boys, they have 50-cent gloves. Regular price is $1.74. And then they have this little glove and scarf set with the hat, and those are $2. Regular $9.97. And they have several different styles of those. And then over here they have like the little thermal thingies. They're $5. Regular $10.98. And here's some up here for $1. Regular price is $8.98. And they have a lot more of those. Inexpensive phone cases, $1. Regular $9.88. That's for the iPhone XR. And here's some down here for $3.50. Regular $12.88. Here's more $1 ones. Here's one for $2.50. This is really pretty. Spec case for $3. Regular $19.88. That's a good price. And here's another one for $1. Here's some crossbody phone cases. They are $4. Regular $19.88. These are screen protectors for $3, regular $10.88. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you all what I found today. Happy shopping. Make sure you subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and hit that bell button so you'll be notified when I post my next video.